So, after talking to one of my friends at Grimsmo, he said there is another way to use this 3D printed tool that's coming with the newer Fjells to install the bearings a little bit easier. He said this is the way they kind of do it at the shop. So, take your handle, take one of your bearings, slide it in, falls into the channel, no problem. It says then, put your other bearing in, slide it in, so that you can flip it over. Now holding that tool in place, you can take your blade and slide the tool out and your bearings stay in. So from that point, you can put your pivot back in, make sure they're all lined up. And that's another way you can use the tool to install your bearings. So again, I'll do it one more time. Take it apart. Get your bearings out. There's the other one. Okay, so you do one bearing in, slide it into the channel. You can see it in there. Take your tool, put your other bearing in, slide the tool in, flip the tool over, and then using the blade, you slide that tool out, and your bearings stay in, and the blade pushes the tool out. Again, drop in your pivot. You should be good to go. Thanks.